Chris is gonna get one right now.
Oh yeah! Hey buddy!
There's little ones. Oh John! Oh
Yeah!
buddy! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I just caught that guy there, and Johnny hooked
this is
into a monster, buddy.
Dude, dude. Oh yeah!
Oh, I'm so excited right now.
Oh yeah!
I am so excited about this right now. This is what we've been waiting for all year. Is a fish like this on video.
Oh, this is huge. We're waiting for today.
A year ago today, John caught his big one.
Today, I got my 32.
At this exact same spot. About this same time too. The only difference is there's not a thunderstorm rolling in on us this time.
Oh man, this is a pig.
Oh buddy.
It's heavy.
Let's go buddy, come on.
This is heavy.
Let's go buddy.
I'm not. This is nice.
Oh John.
Oh!
Yes.
Oh! It's July
20th.
July 20th today. Another monster of the depths. Exact same spot.
Oh buddy.
Oh,
Do you want me to help you net it, or you got it yourself?
I got her.
I figured that was gonna be the
Can
case.
you put the net up there for me
Yeah,
again?
I gotcha.
Northern Fishing Boys, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. We'll be on Twitter soon though. Oh,
Johnny.
oh, it's so big, I can just tell.
I'm gonna get out of the way just in
Yeah.
case it decides to take off here.
Oh, look at that!
Oh my god, buddy!
Oh my god, it's bigger than the
yes.
last one! Oh, it's bigger!
Oh, it is.
It's bigger!
It's
Oh.
huge. Oh my
Oh.
god.
Oh.
We were marking them all night. We've been here for what? Probably at least an hour.
Oh.
Couldn't catch anything but little ones. Oh, John!
Oh. Yeah, buddy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah! Oh, that's awesome! Oh, that's bigger!
Oh, that's huge.
Oh, yeah! Woo!
What a night.
Wow!
Oh my god.
We were marking these fish for like 3 days.
I'm
Finally
taking
got one
this
to bite.
camera off here. I gotta get close-ups of this.
Oh,
Oh, buddy. Hold it up. Oh, John, on a gold jig
I'm
head.
shaking again.
So am I. Oh,
I'm shaking again.
this is absolutely wild.
Look at the size of that thing.
Oh my god, that is huge. Measure it.
Oh, I'm still shaking.
What is it?
30.
It's 30?
30 incher.
30. Oh, buddy. That is just massive.
Oh, yeah.
It's a mammoth right
Look at
there.
the size
Oh
of
my
that thing.
god.
Another beast of Essenagi Lake. Unbelievable.
Whew.
That is so heavy. Oh.
Okay, let's get some pictures of this
Yeah,
thing.
we're gonna get some pics. We'll let this big
We'll
beast
get the
go.
release on video too, though. Don't you
Yeah,
worry.
nice release too. Gotta release these big ones, you know. They're huge spawners in the lake. Great to catch. As you can see, we had so much fun. But gotta let them go.
They're what keeps the lake healthy.
Yeah.
Nice to see these guys go back. There
Oh!
she goes.
There she goes.
There she
Oh,
goes.
down to the depth. Back.